Hi, my name is Jairus. I'm from Year 4 Sincerity. Today I'm going to show you my science experiment. It's called Dinosaur Eggs. The objective is to explore the baking soda and vinegar reaction. So the things we need is baking soda, water, food coloring, a bowl, vinegar, dish soap, dinosaur toys, and a tray. And you can also wear safety glasses and a pair of gloves just like me. First, fill in the baking soda into the bowl. Next, add a few drops of food coloring. Add water. And mix until it forms a complete paste and starts to stick and form. And then squish the paste about to make a ball. Now let's put the dinosaur toys into the paste. I'm going to place them into the tray and freeze them. I'm going to freeze it. See you later. After 5 hours, here are my frozen dinosaur eggs. Now I'm going to apply some dish soap into the bowl. Going to put the dinosaur eggs into the bowl and spray it with some vinegar so we can watch the chemical reaction. Now let's observe the chemical reaction. I'm going to spray more vinegar so that my dinosaur egg can hatch faster. Can you hear the sound and see what's happening to the baking soda? I see a lot of baking soda melting. I think my dinosaur is going to hatch out from the egg. I'm going to pour the whole bottle of vinegar into the egg now. Can you see all the bubbles? This is the chemical reaction of carbonic and acidic. I need more vinegar. I like the sound of the baking soda. Can you see all the bubbles coming out? Look, the dinosaurs are coming up from the eggs. Ta-da! My dinosaurs have now finally hatched out of the egg. Thank you. In conclusion, when baking soda mixed with vinegar, it will foam up with carbon dioxide gas. This reaction shows that sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid reacts to carbon dioxide. Thank you.